Good morning, Emma. Thanks for joining me. Have a seat.
Good morning, sir. You wanted to discuss something about AI?
Yes, AI is becoming a game changer across industries, and I wanted to get your thoughts. How do you see it impacting our operations in the next few years?
Well, it's already transforming how we work, from automating repetitive tasks to enhancing customer experiences. AI-powered tools like chatbots and analytics are helping us be more efficient.
Exactly. AI isn't just about automation, it's about innovation. Think about how companies are using AI to predict market trends, improve supply chains, and even personalize customer interactions.
That's true. It's almost like having an extra set of brains, capable of processing mountains of data in seconds. But do you think there's a downside?
Good question. Like any powerful tool, AI comes with challenges: privacy concerns, potential job displacement, and of course, the ethical questions around its use.
That's why we need to approach it responsibly. But sir, do you think we'll see AI replacing humans entirely?
Not entirely. AI is great at tasks, but humans bring creativity, empathy, and decision-making that machines can't replicate. The key is to integrate AI as a partner, not a replacement.
I agree. If we can use AI to handle the mundane, it frees up time for us to focus on strategy and innovation. Do you think we should start training the team on AI tools?
Absolutely. In fact, I was thinking of organizing workshops. The more we understand AI, the better equipped we'll be to leverage its potential and stay competitive.
That's a great idea. I'll look into resources and schedule some sessions.
Perfect. Remember, Emma, AI isn't just the future, it's the present. Those who adapt will lead the way.
All right, here we are. I'm starving. What kind of pizza are we going for tonight?
How about half pepperoni and half veggie? Best of both worlds.
Perfect. Let's get a large then, and maybe some garlic bread on the side.
Yes. And let's share a soda too.
We'll have a large half pepperoni, half veggie pizza, a side of garlic bread, and a soda, please.
This place has a nice vibe. We should come here more often.
Definitely. It's nice to take a break and have a casual night out like this.
Feels like a mini date night. Plus, we don't have to worry about cooking or dishes.
Exactly. And nothing beats a hot, cheesy pizza fresh out of the oven.
True? So, any plans for the weekend?
Not much, just the usual stuff. Thought maybe we could go for a hike on Saturday, get some fresh air.
Sounds good. We could pack a picnic too. A little outdoor adventure.
Do you remember our first pizza date? It was a place kind of like this.
Yes. You ordered the spiciest pizza on the menu, and I warned you, but you wouldn't listen.
And I paid the price. I could barely handle it. Lesson learned.
You were trying to impress me, though, and it was pretty cute.
Speaking of food, I think ours is almost ready. Wow, this is delicious. They didn't skimp on the toppings either.
Agreed. The veggie side is so flavorful. How's the pepperoni?
Perfectly spicy. Just the right amount of heat. Want a slice?
Yes, but only if you'll have a slice of the veggie side, too.
This was a great idea. We need to do these pizza nights more often.
Absolutely. Good food, good company. What more could we ask for?
Exactly. Here's to many more pizza dates.
Been waiting here long?
Not too long. Got here about 10 minutes ago. Trying to catch this train to New York on time, you know?
Same here. I've got a work event to attend. New York's always bustling, but I figured the train ride would be more peaceful than flying.
Good call. I take the Amtrak whenever I can. It's less of a headache than dealing with TSA and boarding lines at the airport.
Yeah, and there's something about train travel, isn't there? Watching the countryside roll by. Kinda feels like stepping back in time.
Do you take the train often?
Not really, but I wish I did. Used to go on road trips with my family up and down the East Coast. This kind of reminds me of that. No rush, just enjoying the journey.
I know exactly what you mean. There's nothing like sitting by a train window, coffee in hand, watching small towns and farmlands drift by. Way different from flying over it all at 30,000 feet.
Funny how this place can make you think. All these people coming and going, each with a different story, yet here we are, all on the same journey for now.
Yeah. Reminds me that life doesn't always have to be about the destination.
Well, here we go. Mind if I sit near you on the train?
Not at all. Let's keep each other company.
You know, I read somewhere that this line used to be one of the busiest freight routes back in the day.
Yeah. My grandpa used to talk about it. He was a conductor on the old lines. It's funny. These trains carried so much more than just passengers. Whole histories, really.
Seems like each train's got its own story, too. Makes you feel like you're part of something bigger, even if it's just for a few hours.